மார்கழி மந்த் 7th day, பாசுரம் 7. கீச்சு கீச்சென்றெங்கும் ஆனைச்சாத்தன் கலந்து பேசின பேச்சரவம் கேட்டிலையோ பேப்பெண்ணே, காசும் பிறப்பும் கலகலப்ப கைப்பேத்து வாச நறுங்குழல் ஆட்சியர் மத்தினால் ஓசைப்படுத்த தைரரவம் கேட்டிலையோ, நாயகப் பெண்பிள்ளாய் நாராயணன் மூர்த்தி கேசவனைப் பாடவும் நீ கேட்டே கிடத்தியோ, தேசமுடையாய் திரவேலோர் ரெம்பாவாய். In this pasuram, Andal is waking up the girls. Some of them are still sleeping. She is asking them, can't you hear the sound made by the birds, the chirping of the birds? Can't you hear the sound made by the bangles worn by the ladies and the sound made by the jewelry worn by the ladies, and the cowherd maiden, they are churning the curd. Can't you hear the noise of the mixtures they are using to churn the curd? And she's asking the girl, can't you hear the song sung in praise of Narayana, who is Keshava? And she is asking them to get up, wake up, come on, wake up and come and open the door. So she is visiting everyone's house, asking them to get ready for the nonbu. Today's temple is Sarangapani temple. It's a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu. It is located in Kumbakonam along the banks of river Kaveri. It is one of 108 Divya Desams. It is 2000 years old temple. It's one of Pancharanga Kshetrams, Ranganatha temples, one of 5. Lord Vishnu in reclining position. So there are 5 temples where you find Lord Vishnu in reclining position. This is one among them. The kings of medieval Cholas, Vijayanagar kingdom and Madurai Nayaks contributed for the expansion of this temple. They added more features during their period to this temple. The temple is enshrined within a huge granite wall, and this complex contains water bodies, that is temple tanks, kulam, shrines and 5 smaller gopurams. Rajagopuram of this temple has 11 tiers and it is 173 feet high. Rajagopuram has beautiful sculptures which depict epics and Puranas. Sthala Purana of this temple. Vishnu appeared as Sarangapani for sage Hemarishi. The sage performed penance on the banks of Potramari tank, which is located in this temple. He wished to obtain the consort of Vishnu as his daughter, that is Mahalakshmi. Vishnu was very much impressed by his penance and his bhakti. So he said, I will grant your wish. Then Mahalakshmi was born as his daughter. Mahalakshmi emerged from this tank or Tamarai tank among 1,000 lotuses. So she was named Komalavalli. She was found among the lotuses. Lord Vishnu descended to earth as Ara Amudan in a chariot drawn by horses and elephants from his abode Vaikuntham. In this temple we can see the Garbhagraha. The structure looks like a chariot. On both the sides you can find the wheels drawn by horses and elephants. It is believed that Lord Vishnu came here and he stayed here with the chariot. So this is very beautifully visible here. And Perumal wanted to get married to Komalavalli. He waited because he had to convince her. Once she got wild because the Saint Birugu, he kicked the chest of Vishnu. So Mahalakshmi she got annoyed because she lives in his heart. So she left Mahavishnu. So now this is a time Lord Vishnu had to convince Mahalakshmi. So Shiva, she was growing up here. Lord Vishnu was staying in the temple next to this temple, which is Someshwara temple. And he hid himself in the place where we have Padala Srinivasan today. So that is it's like a pit where you have to go down, and there Perumal was hiding himself. And today we have a Sannadhi of Padala Srinivasan there. And both of them got married. This is the Sthala Purana of this temple. And when you go to this temple, you first have a darshan of Tayar only. That is Tayar Komalavalli. Then it leads to the Garbhagraha, where you have the main deity Ara Amudan. That is Sarangapani. This is how you have to go. And on both the sides you have got Uttarayana entrance and Dakshinaya entrance. That is the first 6 months, January to June, you will be using Uttarayana side, the steps. Then the last 6 months of the year, the devotees use Dakshinaya entrance, the steps, to Garbhagraha to have the darshan of Lord. The name Sarangapani derives from Sanskrit word Sarangan, meaning bow of Vishnu, and Pani means hand. So Sarangapani. The Uchchava Murti has bow, will in his hand. The Moolava is in reclining position, Uddana Sayana. He gets up little and looks at the bhaktas. So he is in that position. Once one of the Alvars, Tirumangai Alvar, visited this place and he did Mangalasasam. He sang in praise of Perumal. To grace him, Perumal raised his body, the head portion up, and blessed him. So this is how he looks, little up. So it is Uddana Sayana. And this temple is revered in Divya Prabandham. Divya Prabandham is collection of 4,000 songs, pasurams, sung by Andal, Periyalvar, Bhudattalvar, Peralvar, Thirumaishai Alvar and Thirumangai Alvar. They are all Alvars. And this place is very much associated with Nadamuni Swamigal, because God Aravamudan appeared in the dream of Nadamuni when he was in search of the Pasurams. So God asked him to go to Alvar Tirunagari and get the Pasurams from Nammalvar there, one of the Alvars. So he did it as per the instruction given by the Perumal, and he got it, and Nadamuni Swamigal compiled 4,000 Pasurams in this place. So this place is very much known for Divya Prabandham and Nadamuni Swamigal. Once there was a staunch devotee of this Perumal, was doing Kaingaryam to Perumal, and he contributed for the Raja Gopuram. And he was feeling bad that he did not have any child. And he was praying God that who will do my final rites. So after he passed away, Perumal did final rites for him. How did the people know about it? The next day, when the priest opened the door of the temple, they found Perumal standing in wet clothes. So they found out that he himself did the final rites of this devotee. So in remembrance of that, every year on Deepavali day, on behalf of Perumal, Archakar does the ceremony for the devotee of Perumal, who was a very staunch devotee of Aravamudan. So Perumal does anything for Bhaktas. And